Hello dear students, let's start the story where we left in the previous video. We had seen that Algu Chaudhary was nominated as head punch, and Juman was ready to accept the command of the head punch. The punch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. When Chachi nominated Algu Chaudhary as head punch, Juman was so happy. He tried to hide his happiness because he considered it was a piece of luck for him. Because he knew his friend would never go against him. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt. But I know that you will not kill your consigne for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. But Algu Chaudhary was not ready to be the head punch. He told Chachi, you know, Juman is my friend. But Chachi said, I know Juman is your friend, but I know it very well that you will not kill the voice of your heart only because of your friendship with Juman. And after that, Chachi explained her case to everyone. Juman, said Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? Now Algu Chaudhary in front of all said, Juman, we are friends and your auntie is just like my aunt. But in the case of justice, in front of justice, both of you are equal to me. So now explain your viewpoint. What do you want to say in this case? 3 years ago, began Juman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible, that's all I have to say. Now Juman said that 3 years before, my aunt transferred her property to me with the promise that I would take care of her. I and my family did our best to take care of aunt, though there were some quarrels between my wife and aunt, my Chachi, but I was unable to control it. Now aunt is asking for set allowance, meaning set amount for a month, and I do not want to give it. This is the reason of whole quarrel. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Now Algu Chaudhary gave decision, meaning some other punch also cross question, and later on Algu gave decision that Juman must give Chachi allowance, otherwise all the old property of Chachi would go back to her, which she had given to Juman. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Earlier, both of them were very good friends, but now Juman and Algu were not meeting each other. They were not talking. They were not in talking terms. Even Juman had developed a sort of enmity in his heart, and he wanted to take revenge because he thought that Algu Chaudhary had given wrong decision against him. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Days went on rolling up. And in after some time it happened that Algu Chaudhary found himself in a very difficult situation. One of his fine pair of bullocks died, and he sold the other to Samju Shahu, a cart driver of the village. What happened? He had 2 bullocks. One died, so he sold one to Samju Sahu, a cart driver and of the same village. He sold that remained bullock to him. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. It was the decision that Samju Sahu would give the price of the bull within a month. But within a month the bullock died. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. Sahu got very annoyed. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. When he died, after many months of the bull's death, Algu Chaudhary reminded Sahu to give him back the remaining money. So at this reminder, he got very annoyed. He said, "You sold me such mean beast, such mean creature, and now you wanted money for that. Moreover, he died within 1 month. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me." He said, "No, it is not possible, because your bullock had not given me anything except the ruins, except the disasters. And do one thing, I have one bull, you can use that bull for 1 month. And then there would be no question of returning money." "No money for the dead bull," he said angrily. Now Samju Sahu said no money he was going to give for the dead bull. Algu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparation for holding the Panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. Then Algu Chaudhary went to Panchayat, and within a 1 month again Panchayat sat, and both the parties were seeking favor of various panch. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. It used to be the proper place for the Panchayat, and this time Algu was in problem. Thank you everyone.